The 12th of November, Rabbi Furst, Mishna Berura. Just 1 second.
Okay, all's well, I hope. Yeah.
Yeah, I think he fixed the problem.
Okay, that's good. Okay, so yeah, this is our second share this morning. Rabbi Snowford first here. You see it's Samanashi here in Yerushalayim. Here Zoom and Mr. Bruce singing Kuf Samad Bays. Um, we are in um we came to, I think we're holding in Gilo, if I'm not mistaken. Do you have a mark where we left off, man?
Well, I still have, I don't know if we did this, in the Mishnah Berura, Kaf Aleph, it's Rivi'it Bevat Achat.
Ah, okay, could be that. Sounds familiar. Okay, let's start with that. You can begin if you like.
Okay, so Rivi'it Bevat Achat. So you pour Rivi'it, I guess, all in one time. Hatam, the Rivi'it Bevat Achat, Asuhu, Kemikva, the Metaheret. Okay, so I guess the Revi'it pouring at one time makes like a mikveh that purifies.
Right. That revis is the water coming from a source of a revis gives it a halachic status of it as if it was coming from a source of a mikveh, which is renders the water always pure.
Oh, okay. Source of a mikveh. Okay. Okay. Begam hamayim torim. Okay, so we said that in the water is pure. Ulekach ain't tzarich l'mayim shniyim. Therefore, you don't need a second, I guess, rinsing of water,
Douse.
dousing
Yeah,
of water.
second douse.
Okay,
Right.
that's good. Ukeshahaya al yado. Hold on once. Okay. Lichluch v'davar chotzetz. And if there was on the hand dirt or some sort of interposition, the az sarik lishpoch kitzat meharivi'it lahasir haluklak. So you have to pour a bit of the rivi'it to dislodge the dirt. Below nishar harivi'it shlema. And you don't need the rest of the rivi'it, the whole rivi'it, looks like.
Right. Since you started out with a full revis, you don't have to have it remaining at full revis now.
Oh, okay. Huh. Interesting. Good. Okay. Baal Karcho Tsarik Lishnayim Davka. I'm not sure what a Baal Karcho is.
That what's this about clock going on? Well, even
Baal Karcho. I have to look that up, maybe. Huh.
I think it means that you're not going to be required to have a remainder of a revis there that force you to have a revis there for this second dousing as well.
Oh, okay. Uh, let's see, Vida, the Yeshomrim, Diman Hadin, Tzarich Li'olam Mayim Shniyim. Okay, know that some say that from the law, I guess, from the din, one always needs a second washing. The imei lo rock revi, and even if there isn't a revid, so yishpoch mimena b'shtei pa'amim, and one pours from it 2 times. Let's see, v'afilu im notel revi'it b'vat achat, and the afilu, and perhaps if he pours a revi'it at one time, al kol yad v'yad, on each hand a revi'it bifnim atzmo, by himself, tzarich achar kach gam kei mayim shniyim. So he needs afterwards to pour a second time. V'katav achayay adam diyesh linhog kain, and it's written in the Chayei Adam that this is the custom is so. Litol revi'it a kol yad, to pour a revi'it on each hand, v'gam shnayim, and shniyim, and then a second time. V'chol zeh hu rak l'hatchila im yesh lo mayim mizumanim. And let's see, v'chol zeh, and all of this is only I always can never remember that word.
Is in the ideal situation.
Ideal situation, if there's water, mizumanim for mizuman.
Well, the water which is prepared.
Oh, prepared. Mizumanim is prepared. Oh, okay. Aval litroch achar zeh nireh de'ein tzarich. But if it's a bother to do this, it appears that it's not needed. The poskim chalko bazeh, and the majority of the poskim hold or decide like this. V'kis timat hamichaber de v'revi'it b'vat achat ein tzarich l'shnayim. Okay, and timat, something about the mechaber, that the revi'it is done all at one time, you don't need a second pouring. And it appears also this is the opinion of the Achronim.
Right. Right. That if it's a reviews at one time, you really don't have to wash your hands a second time. But as we say, we do it l'chakila anyway, as long as you have the water prepared.
Oh, okay. Okay, so the next one is Mayim Rabim. One is a lot of water. Okay, it says Hainu afilu rak me'at yoter mirid. Even if it's only a little more than a revi. Oh, that's considered Mayim Rabim, huh? Okay. Bigday sheyelo lahasir halichluk. Okay, and v'kain in there, and so it will be enough, I guess, to remove the dirt. V'yishaer harivi'it shlema, and yishaer is with the rest of the revi'it, and with the whole revi'it.
We have mayim, if you have
Oh,
a lot of water there.
you leave a whole revi'it. Wow.
I know I feel like my yosim revi, even if you have just a little bit more than revis, they, you know, a hasir, look, like in order that you should remove the lick and then it remains there a revis, a full revis. And what's this referring to? Let's just
Okay. Okay. So then it says, let's see, Kaf Gimel, which is you need to wipe your hands. Okay. So it said Sarik le shaf le shaf fam. Boy, that's hard to pronounce. Okay, so you need to wipe them basically.
Right, rub them. You have to rub the hands together.
A rub. Oh, okay. Okay. Hainu afilu nata revi'it, al kol yad v'yad, and even if one washes each hand, okay. The chain, oh, these long lines. Mitabil yadav. Oh, it's similar to immersing your hands in a mikveh. Matbil.
Right.
Oh, wow. Okay, so if you did that, or even in the spring, it says maybe then you have to rub your hands to. Is that just to get the excess water off of them before you dry them?
Um,
You certainly have to dry them before you say hamotzi.
yeah, that's definitely so correct. So we're talking about rubbing the hands.
Right.
Filu nakat revis al oh yeah, virad, even if there was a revis. Right, even if there was a revis on every hand, you still have to do a shifshuf, a rubbing.
Oh, okay. Oh, I think that's good. The next one is going to answer my question.
Oh,
Why you
there
have
you
to
go.
rub. So that's let's see, Kaf Dalid. It says Zova Zo against each other. Okay, Nershahu Kidei Lahavir Halichlu Hetev Hetev. Okay, so this appears uh, to be able to remove the dirt very well.
Right, by rubbing the hands together, that's going to cause the any dirt that might be attached to your hands to come loose.
Okay. Uh,
How does that help if you already finished washing?
Well, this is the first washing. After first washing, then you wash again, and then if there happens to be any residue of dirt on your hands that remains after the first washing, so if you by rubbing the hands together, that eliminates any residue to be stuck to your hands.
And then you wash again?
No, not necessary.
okay, so let's see. So you have to rub the hands. Okay. Uh, oh, I was on 24. Zova Zo. Okay, Niretsu. Okay, did Lahavir Hilik Lukate. Okay. Who rak lachatchila velo la'akuva. That's um
Excuse me there.
Yeah, I'm trying to think how to translate this. It's a little
Which word?
okay. Behurak l'chatchila v'lo akuva. Akuva was a mouse, but I guess it's not.
Right, right. This is only an ideally, but not to say that it is a absolute necessity.
Ah, so it's not an absolute necessity. And then it says, "V'ayim b'vach." Look at the bach, I guess, for further explanations.
Right.
Okay, very good.
Yep.
So,
Okay. That brings us to
back to Gimel, it looks like.
of hay. Of hay is now the beginning of Gimel. Correct. Okay. We have some time. Yes. We can
Yeah, about
begin.
5 minutes, it looks like.
Yeah. Yeah. We can begin. That's good.
Okay, so it says Natal Mitzayado v'chazar v'hosif v'natal hanishar uh, yado. Oh, I think this is what you were saying. So what if one uh, washes his hands a little and repeats it and continues and washes the remainder of his hand. Okay. So I guess that's like a second time already. Hareyado tmeya kimo shaita de'ein netila lahatzain. Okay. So then he has to, okay, so let's see whether he washes his hands a little and repeats and continues and washes the Hanishar, the remainder, I guess the remainder of his hand, the other hand.
Well,
Areyad,
meaning
yeah.
he's washing one hand. He's washing, let's say, his right hand, but he only washes half of the hand. And then he goes and washes the other hand. So it still remains tummy the hand because you don't say that you will add half and half of the washing to make a full washing of the hand.
Oh, okay. Okay, Kimoshai as it was, I guess
It's
as it
tummy
was.
as it was, right? It's tummy as it was.
Oh, as it was. Okay. The ain natila, so that this isn't a natila, and hatzain, chatzain.
Up to halves. There's no such thing as a half wash.
Oh, okay. Okay. You have to do the full job, apparently. Okay,
Sometimes you see this, like for example, I don't know if you've ever noticed, like in Haggalas Kalim, let's say you have a long ladle, a big ladle, a big spoon, a big cooking spoon, a big ladle, and it's too big for the whole pot. So they put one half in, they turn it around and put the other half in, and that works. Right. So
right.
there you did half, and then you went to bed and did another half. So that works. But here with washing the hands, it doesn't work.
Okay. So going on, let's see. Okay, ואם yesh al mikzat hayad שנטל בתחילה, uh, so and if he's still uh mikzat, I guess part of the hand that he initially washed, tofeach al minat lahat piach. So you have to um, wet it even more, make it more wet. So harezo Torah, so that it's clean, so that it's pure. Wow. Okay. That's what you were saying. And you have to really make sure. I know when I go to duchen, they really douse my hands when before I duchen. So okay. Okay. So is
How
that,
do you dry them? How do you dry them? You have a towel there by you?
yeah, they usually have some sort of paper towels there. Uh,
Mhm. Okay,
yeah. Of course,
very good.
Israeli paper towels don't always mop everything up, I guess. Yeah.
Yeah, well,
Okay, so we'll try to finish this. B'medvarim amurim, b'mayim rishonim. Uh, so
what is this referring to? This is in the first washing.
first wash. Okay, aval b'shniim notel miktzat yadav v'chozer mosif al miktzatan. Okay, but for the second washing, uh, you have to let's see. Hold on. Aval b'shnaim notel big miktzat yadav. Okay, so one washes, I guess, part of his hand and repeats it and continues until uh, until it's I guess it's washed mixatan until the end.
Yeah, I think until there's a first, until you have done the complete washing.
Okay, very good. So we got through
Good.
the
We'll review this. We're going to go over this again tomorrow.
okay.
But fine, very good. Thank you, Mayor. That was very good reading. I appreciate it. And Lou, for the first year, I appreciate your reading for the first year. And we'll continue on, Mr. Shem, tomorrow, Mr. Shem. You both have a good afternoon. Hope to see you then.
Thank you.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You too, Rabbi.
Quite welcome. Have a good day.
afternoon.
Shalom, bye.